Yeah, Abby, Jess, the commissioner said he hasn't had a chance to walk around and assess all of this damage here in Norman quite yet, but he says that there's a number of these things that the families here should know in the start of this recovery process.
Be very cautious. So after every bad storm, in the shadow, literally in the shadow of bad storms, are bad actors that come behind that.
A warning to be on guard. Glenn Mulready, the state insurance commissioner, says after every storm, Oklahomans are scammed.
They're posing as contractors and really just looking to defraud Oklahomans, and often right at their front door.
To avoid this, he encourages everyone assessing damage to call your insurance agent or company directly, or to get recommendations of reputable agents from friends and family. He says calling your agent is the first step. The second,
secure their property. So if it's something as light, if you will, as a busted out window, they need to try to secure that, whether that's a tarp or things like that. Securing it against future damage is their responsibilities.
Mulready says in a week or two is when the role of his office becomes key. If residents feel the process is unfair, that's when you can give them a call.
But if there's any frustration there at all, we have folks who know the law, who know the contract. We then go to bat for them.
And as severe storm season is just beginning, he says there are things you should do now to prepare for the rest of spring.
Agent to go through, what do I have for coverage? Is there anything that's recommended that I need? So just staying on top of that is critically important, so that in these situations hit, there's not near the concerns and problems that you might have if you were underinsured.
And Mulready says that a few other key things that you can do are to use your phone. He says take pictures, video every single room in your house so you know what's inside in case a storm comes. He also says to take pictures of any insurance forms and prescription drugs you may need immediately following a disaster.